Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have a tremendous amount of information to go over in a very short order. But before we get to the good stuff, okay, we need to do a little update in tandem because I'm very efficient. However, I'm very laser focused. We're going to do a lithium-ion battery uptake, okay? Now, quickly, remember this phone was completely dead. The battery was gone, toast, throw it away to the recycler. Now, after charging it on 4-phase superconductive power grid, now we have it's been sitting for over 2 weeks because I've been dealing with Nanovated and an emergency situation. Okay, so now we have 65% left on the battery. This is amazing proof that we've taken the lithium and the graphene, brought it up to superconductivity with graphene lithium in the battery on a stock, over-the-shelf, old phone. Okay? Proving more and more empirical evidence of exchanging the carbon to graphene. Now look, this one is Puchta power, 4-phase superconductive power, okay? And this one's Faraday and Tesla. Now we have 63% left on the battery. I've got a twin tandem charger, both on Faraday, Tesla, okay? Look at this. 3 days and 9 hours since the battery's been fully charged. This one's only got 45%. This one's running more apps. It's full blown. This one's just a stock out of the box. Okay? It's bought the same day. This one, 4 days and 18 hours. So this one took a little longer to charge, but that's okay because that's density in graphene. Now look, this one has 45%, but it's going to be dead a little bit after 2 p.m. today. This one says 11 p.m. today to be dead, but that's not going to be true because now I have a full load on them. It took me a little while to get back to lithium-ion test because we deal with empirical data. We don't deal with theory. It took me a while to find these little fans. I know they're available, but I drove all around town at the gas stations trying to find one until I went to Fry's Electronics and they were on the shelf, so I bought 3 of them. I got to figure out why this one doesn't work. It might be something in the programming of the phone. But the point is, this one's going back in the explosive chamber over there for later. And we're going to see what's going to happen when we plug this one back on Faraday. It's not been on Faraday this entire test, ever. So it's only been on superconductive power. That's it. Okay, let's get to the good stuff. Okay, Nanovated, Drink Me, the industrial side, 1,000-gallon-a-minute systems, Stream Me Power, our fusion reactors, the lovely hot fusion, deuterium, proton, fusion, registered hot, okay, in the boron cycle. We're the only company in the world that can make that claim of 100 to 500 watts in to 44,000 watts out BTU. Okay? Young lady, I know you're listening to me. I know your Nani is listening to me. And Deborah, I sure hope you're listening to me. Here we go. Scale. Okay, tear, empty bottle, lab grade, 14.7. Okay, I'm going to leave the cap on the scale for convenience. Okay, and we're going to tear the scale. We're going to take the cap off for easy math. This distilled, vapor distilled lab water, 17.4 grams. This, Pure E, Drink Me, pure water, 18 grams. Seawater, challenged, just right out of the water. Same stuff you got at your place. 18.2. Already we're at heavy water. Okay? Already. Right here. DeLovely hot registered fusion water. 20.3 grams. Heavy water. Young lady, you are getting Fusion, my HydroMe circuits. 21 grams by weight density, young lady. Let me show you what I'm talking about. pH. At 4, you die. You don't want to drink bleach to go to raise the pH into your base. Here's distilled water. Look at the pH. Dipped. Fusion Drink Me pure water. Perfect 7. Okay? Flip the scale. Seawater. Okay? Let's try it out a little bit. We can double dip it. It's called, there we go, seawater. 8 pH. Okay? DeLovely Fusion. Off the scale. What does pH mean, doctors? It means the power of hydrogen ion dissolved in the aqueous solution. You understand? Go drink your crap water, alkaline water from electrolysis. That's metal alkaline electrode degradation pH. This is heavy hydrogen binding fusion, registered hot fusion. Not the car, not the soap, not some name, registered hot fusion. Not cold fusion, doesn't work. This is registered hot fusion. I'm Nanovated hydrogen Deuteride injection, Ozone 7, okay, injection. Here we go. There's the pH. This water has been sitting for at least a month and a half, open container, no cap. I just poured it in these bottles so it looks pretty about an hour ago from an open container. Here you go. How do you like that? Would you rather dip yourself in bleach at 11, or would you rather be off the scale? 26.4 pH. The scale goes to 30. Arnold Beckman, the pH meter. This is my lab sample, young lady. That's called a control. You see that? Bingo. That stays with me. This is for your nani. Watch this. I washed my hands. Then I dried them with a heat gun. Then I washed them with alcohol, 99% pure lab grade alcohol. Then I dried them with the heat gun again. Then I washed them again a couple seconds ago before this video with lab grade water, not water, but alcohol. And then I dried them with the heat gun itself. My hands hurt, young lady. I can only imagine what your skin feels like. This is for you. I want you to watch this. I'm going to just take this right here. Okay? Look at that. It's like butter. But look at my skin. Okay. I was going to use the microscope, but it's just too difficult for the video. Okay. It's dry. I'm just going to go like this and get a little bit on my skin. Just pardon me. I'm going to try to do this with no hands. It's going to take me a second. There we go. Okay. Now you can see my skin. This is your water coming to you with this cute little topper, just like that. Okay? Watch. Now, okay, I'm going to dry my hand. Look at my skin. It's incandescent. I told everybody at Center for New Medicine we had a 14-year-old boy. Never learned how to swim. He was a bloody scab, afraid to take his shirt off. In 8 to 12 weeks, I can't remember, his skin looks like Snow White today. And that was at 1.0. I just tuned Center for New Medicine's machine to 2.0. You're getting... Okay, you're getting it, lady. Young lady. You're getting the best I got right here. You're getting my HydroMe circuits in your system. And your bath water, you see this right here? You're going to get an empty one of these. I might just send this one, I don't care. I make 1,000-gallon-a-minute systems. This is your cure. This is your dosage right here. I'm not a doctor. I'm a physicist, an applied physicist, doctrined across the board. Listen to me. This much seawater in your bath gives you this in your total bath. I guarantee. Take that to the bank. Whitewater nanobubbles. And Charles for intervening in a child's health, basically blocking an ambulance. Okay, Deborah. These are for the boys. Okay? These are for the girls. They're knowing stones on the last video, magnetic. This is your pile. There's only 15 left because Nanovated asked a favor of the board of Proton Spin Technologies. Young lady, your system is fully paid for. Shipping, handling to Deborah. On your deposit. Are we clear? I sure hope we are. 'Cause I'm only going to say it one time. This is a pinky promise. I'm a Knight of Columbus, doctrine in the Byzantine Catholic Church, 1984. Double dipped in love and marriage in the Roman Catholic Church, 1994. You understand, Whitewater? I hope you understand, 'cause you don't want me to turn this up. in the 4th degree, Night of Columbus, to protect women and children from becoming widows. Whitewater nanobubbles makes cavitation. I sent the document, and I'm going to put the link here in this video, that their cavitation bubbles will give brain damage. Nanovated's got medical